So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money through YouTube and affiliate marketing without worrying about monetization. And I'm even going to give you guys a free niche you can use. So let's go. What's up guys, it's Ayub from ViralWhirl, and before we get started guys, I just want to let those of you who don't know that I'm releasing the Video Marketing Academy course this Saturday, the 13th of April. This course is an A to Z blueprint that shows you how you can go from 0 subscribers, grow your channel, and start making passive income through affiliate, through info products, and much more. I even have a bonus course in there that will show you how you can start making money on YouTube without even uploading video. So the link for the pre-registration is down in the description if you want to sign up so you can get a notification for when it comes out. Okay guys, so now I want to show you how you can make money through YouTube with affiliate marketing. And this particular niche that I don't see a lot of people doing, but it's highly profitable because these are high ticket offers. So I'm sure most of you guys already know what affiliate marketing is. If you don't, go watch my other videos. But basically, we're going to be setting up a channel on YouTube talking about legal documents, business education, basically all types of legal services. Now, you're probably confused. You're probably thinking to yourself, don't I have to be a lawyer to talk about this kind of stuff or have knowledge about this stuff? And the answer is obviously no, because this stuff is readily available all over the internet. So once you make that channel, you just head over to LegalZoom, which is a website where they offer legal services like company formation, business formation, DBA formation, C Corp, S Corp, and everything else, or any other online legal service website, and see what services they offer. So the most popular service that LegalZoom has is company formation. So for example, forming an LLC. But how will LegalZoom make you money through YouTube? Well, I got you fam, hold up. So let me just ask you, if you were to want to form an LLC or company, where would you go? You would go on YouTube or Google, right? So boom, that's where you want to help people. If you go on YouTube and just search for LLC formation, you're going to find a lot of suggestions, just like how to form the LLC, how to form LLC online costs. So that's how you know people are searching for this kind of stuff, and that's how you're going to make money off it. So like I said, make a YouTube channel strictly for legal document help, business help, or whatever, and start uploading videos on how to form an LLC, etc. You can find information all over Google on how to form an LLC, so you don't actually need to be a lawyer. And what you do is basically take them through the steps, tell them how they can form an LLC, or how to form an S Corp or C Corp, how to file it by hand, which is always harder, and then show them an easy way to their problem, which is finding how to set up an LLC. Boom, there you go. Use LegalZoom. You could tell them they could use LegalZoom for an easy way to form a company. Tell them they could form your company for only $300. They'll do all the work for you, and you'll receive your company documents within 3 days. And that's where the affiliate marketing comes in. Most of these online legal services always have an affiliate program. And then in the description, you can link to it. And if someone goes through that link and they buy a service like company formation, LLC formation, then you get a commission. And if you guys know what you're doing, this can be highly profitable, especially with the amount of video ideas that you actually have. And I'll show you in a second how you can find video ideas. So let's actually go to my screen and show you how this works. And guys, make sure to smash that like button, because what I'm giving you here is freaking gold, I swear. Okay guys, so just like I said, you go on LegalZoom. As you can see, LegalZoom. And by the way, LegalZoom is not the only company that provides services like this. There's My Company Works. There's way more, okay? I forgot what they're called, but the most popular one I know is LegalZoom. So you go to LegalZoom, and as you can see here, this is where you're going to find video ideas. You go to our services, and by the way guys, not only can you make videos on how to form an LLC, you can make any type of video that they provide services for. So LLC, corporation, S Corp, how to set up an S Corp, wills, okay, how to get a living will, how to get a living trust, how to do doing business as, business name, sole proprietorship, trademark registration, trademark search, everything, okay? They provide everything, and you could do videos on these. But for example, let's say we're doing a video on YouTube on the channel. Like I said, you're gonna have to set up a channel on YouTube, just doing business advice, how to set up a company, how to trademark registration, and everything like that. So LLC, how do I form an LLC? And then you could do something like this, okay? You could do something like this where you do a video how to form an LLC. You tell them how they can form an LLC, because to form an LLC, you could go both ways. You could use a service like this online, or you could do it by yourself. But doing it by yourself usually takes a lot of time. You have to file forms and all that bullshit. No one really has time for that, okay? When people are searching for this stuff on YouTube, they want a quick, easy service that they can use. So just like I told you guys before, show them the easy way and show them the hard way. The hard way is obviously going to be manually, where they have to form an LLC by themselves. And then the easy way, using LegalZoom. And then you could point to LegalZoom in the description to your affiliate link. And once they go and buy, you get a commission. Most of the time, these people are going to be buyers, because look at this. How to form an LLC. If someone is searching this on YouTube, okay, they're obviously looking for a way to form an LLC. So most of the time, they're going to be buyers. They're going to want to see videos, okay? They're going to want to see videos on this, how to form an LLC, what is a LLC, how to start your own business, videos like this, okay? Most of the time, you're going to find lawyers talking about this stuff. And as you can see, they have really bad thumbnails. They have really bad titles. They're not titling everything perfectly. I don't even think they're doing good SEO. They're not even using tags. So it's going to be really easy to compete with these people and actually rank your video up there. So what you do is how to form an LLC. And what's good about this is you're never going to run out of topics, because you could do how to form an you could do a video for each state. So how to form an LLC for Arizona, how to form an LLC for Georgia, New Jersey, Colorado. So for all 50 states, you can make 50 videos, and one of those videos has to go up there. It has to get ranked if you're doing 50 videos. The most popular one is probably going to be Delaware and Nevada, because that's where people like to incorporate their companies. But I suggest you do videos on all states, okay? All 50 states, and do a video how to form an LLC in California, Texas, and then you could do how to form an S-Corp in Texas, how to form S-Corp in Florida. Okay, this is just for LLC. And then you have S-Corps, okay? And then you have, let's see what other services they have. And then you have nonprofit. You have S-Corp and then C-Corp. I'm telling you, you're never going to run out of ideas if you look at their services. You can make videos based on what services they offer, okay? This is another popular one. Federal Tax ID, which is an EIN. Not a lot of people know how to get an EIN. To get an EIN, you have to either fax the IRS, you have to fax the IRS, or call them up. And most people don't know how to do that. Most people, when starting their business, don't know how to do this stuff. And if you know the IRS, once you phone up the IRS, you're going to have to wait like 2 hours on the phone just to get that EIN. And most people just want to get it quickly. They want to get things done really quick. And what you would do is basically tell them this is how you get an EIN the easy way. Okay, and link to their EIN services. It's $79 for an EIN, and I'm pretty sure it's like 50% commission. I'll show you guys the affiliate program for them in a minute. But yeah, how to form an LLC, how to get an EIN. See this video right here? This guy does the same thing that I'm talking to you guys about, okay? LLC University. This guy does the same exact thing. And this 1 year ago, 2 years ago, you could come up with updated stuff. You could come up with updated videos. And if you guys know what you're doing, okay, if you know what you're doing, this could be really, really profitable, okay? In the end, you could set up a website for yourself and offer your own services through LegalZoom, okay, if you know what you're doing. I was going to do this exact same method. About 2 months ago. I just didn't have time, okay? I was going to hire people. I was going to hire someone to be my video guy. I was going to hire people to write up the scripts for these types of videos. I was going to hire people to make a website for me. I just didn't have time for all that, okay? Because like I said, I'm busy working on the course and other stuff like Shopify. But yeah, guys, this is a really good way to make money if you know what you're doing. Again, if you know what you're doing, if you could use the right titles, if you could use the right tags, if you could use the right titles for these services. And not only, like I said, do they offer business services, but you can do videos on wills and trusts. And by the way, you don't have to be an attorney or a lawyer to talk about this stuff, but you always want to make sure to write in the description a disclaimer for them not take your video as legal advice and you're not an attorney, okay? Make sure you always write that in the description. See, this guy has a disclaimer too. You should have the same exact disclaimer, okay? Same exact disclaimer. You're only providing this stuff for educational purposes, okay? So yeah, guys, this video, I'm guessing he explains what an EIN is and how you can get an EIN. And like I said, most of these people are going to be searching for this stuff to actually buy. Most of them are buyers, okay? So you're not just doing these videos randomly. Most people that are searching for this stuff are buyers, okay? And to sign up for the LegalZoom affiliate program, it's really easy. Just search for, go on LegalZoom. Let me see if they have the affiliate program right here. Affiliates, yeah, they have an affiliate program. I told you most of these have an affiliate program. Let me see how much they actually pay. Most of the stuff that they're selling is high ticket, so $500 to $1,000. 15% commission would be really good, okay? And there isn't only LegalZoom, there's others. Let's see, legal. Okay, so this is another one, guys. It's Northwest Registered Agent Affiliate Program. So you end up with $60 for every sale of $100 corporate filing. So that's pretty good, okay? That's better than LegalZoom, okay? And I don't even use LegalZoom. I haven't used LegalZoom before. I always use Swift Filings. I don't think they have an affiliate program. Let's see if they actually have one. You don't have to use LegalZoom. You could use any other company that provides these types of services. Let's see if they have an affiliate. Okay, cool. So they do have an affiliate program, but it's through ShareASale. Anyways, you could choose what you want to do. Okay, you could choose 55 per incorporation sale. That's good. Okay, that's good. If you can get a lot of people through that YouTube funnel, through that YouTube video to buying incorporation sale, you could make good money off that. So yeah, guys, you don't have to use LegalZoom. You could use other services. And what you basically do, like I said, you make a channel just based on educational stuff, on educating people on business incorporation, LLCs, S Corps, C Corps, the difference between C Corps, S Corps, how to incorporate in different states, how to incorporate S Corps in different states, how to do DBAs, doing business as, how to file for divorce. There's divorce services, I think, on LegalZoom. But you always want to make sure to tell people, disclaimer, these videos are only for educational purposes, not legal advice, not to be taken as legal advice. And yeah, guys, there's different services, like I said. All you got to do is title your videos like this: how to file LLC in Arizona in 2019 or something like that. And then you could do it for every state. And then you could do how to get an EIN fast or something like that. I'm just making these off the top of my head, okay? So yeah, it's really easy, and not a lot of people are doing this, okay? Not a lot of people are doing this. I seen one person that's doing this, and it's LLC University, and this guy hasn't posted for long, okay? 2 years. He hasn't posted for 2 years. And the others that are doing this are lawyers, okay? You've seen that. There's lawyers that are doing this, but they're not using good titles. They're easy to compete with. They're not even competition, okay? They're not even competition. They're not using good titles. They're not using good thumbnails. They're not using good descriptions. No good SEO. So you're not going to really compete with them. I mean, if you watch my other videos, I show you guys how you could have good titles, have good thumbnails, and all that. So make sure you watch my other videos. And I actually have a section in my course where I talk about this stuff, where I talk about how you can have a good thumbnail, how to make the best thumbnails, how to make attractive thumbnails that people will actually click on, how to get ranked in the SEO, how to have good SEO, how to have good tags, and everything like that. I also talk about affiliate, okay? Strategies to make YouTube videos and promote affiliate programs, how to get sales. So something exactly like this, I talk about that in the course, okay? So make sure you pre-register. It's in the description. And maybe I will be doing a live stream on Saturday, so kind of like a Q&A when I launch the course, kind of like a Q&A. You guys could ask me anything about affiliate marketing, about YouTube, about something like this. I'll answer you guys about the course, whatever. If you guys want to see me do a live stream on Saturday, go ahead, type that in the comments below if you want to see that, or type down in the comments below what else you want to see, what kind of other videos that you're interested in seeing, and I'll make sure to do that in the future. And that's it, guys. That's it for today. Make sure you comment down below if you're confused about anything in this video, okay? Because I tried to explain it as easy as possible. If you were confused by anything, or if you want help with anything, go ahead, comment that down below in the description, or you could DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than glad to help you if I actually get your message. And that's it, guys. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed this content, and peace.